Hello everyone. This is for the fourth day of the trip, and we are in a city called Bolesławiec, which is known for the production of pottery ware. So let's see. We are walking towards the pottery factory. So far it looks like a small city, and I don't see anything particular. Just on the right hand, we see something like a steeple of the church or cathedral. Across the park stands the Church of Our Lady of Perpetual Help, an 18th century church that has become one of Bolesławiec's historic landmarks. On our way to the museum, as you see, we came across a cemetery. Now we are approaching the porcelain museum. It looks like people are having a workshop. Now you see so many pottery ware in this section of the factory. Our factory tour begins in the production hall of Bolesławiec Pottery. Shelves on both sides are filled with unfired bowls, plates, and cups, carefully drying before they are fired in the kiln. You see here colored potteries. They look like a Christmas pattern.
Tutaj malujemy, ozdabiamy nasze biskity. Mamy około 700 wzorów. Każdy z wzorów ma swoją
Probably she's drawing pictures.
I tak się posługujemy tymi nazwami dekoracji, nazwami kształtów. Te dekoracje dzielimy na 3 kategorie. Są wzory, które należą do wzorów podstawowych. Tutaj
These patterns are floral and very complicated. At this stage of the factory tour, we can watch the craftsmen at work from just a few steps away. Rows of freshly made ceramic pieces move steadily along the production line, each carefully handled by skilled hands. Here, the workers are applying a glaze to ornaments and bowls. This liquid coating will give the pottery its smooth, glossy finish after it is fired in the kiln. The glaze also protects the surface and prepares it for the final decoration. Although parts of the process are assisted by machinery, the experience of the craftsman is still essential. Every piece is carefully inspected, handled with precision, and prepared for the next stage. Now, porcelain workshop is being held. We arrived too late, so we didn't have the place for this.
To są płótnopisy próbniki, służą do ćwiczeń, do próbowania, do sprawdzania, jak nam to wychodzi, odbijanie, połączenie kolorów, więc
So this shows how to add patterns on the pottery ware. This pottery ware depicts very common scenery of rural Poland with red poppies and blue cornflowers. I enjoyed browsing coffee cups, milk jugs, sugar bowls, plates, soap dispensers, and many other beautiful items. In the end, both Aika and I chose one to take home. You're welcome to read my blogs, visit my Facebook page where my photographs are regularly updated. If you'd like to support my visual journey, a small donation would be appreciated. Until the next time, bye!